Hello students, welcome back to Physics with Safdar. Now you are watching IGCSE Physics Past Paper Solution series. In this series we solve question from paper 2, 4 and 6. Now we are going to solve question from paper 2 on topic refraction of light. The question is, light waves pass from air into glass and are refracted. What always remains constant when this happens? And you have 4 options. First, we need to recall what is the refraction of light. Look at this diagram, air and glass, two mediums, and this line is showing a boundary between them. This is incident ray, and this line perpendicular to the boundary is called normal. When the light ray enters air to glass, its directions change, and it is called the refracted ray. Remember one thing, it bends towards the normal. You need to remember this point in the process of refraction of light. When light enters air to glass, direction of light change, speed also change, wavelength of light change, frequency does not change. So you can select your option easily. Option number B is the right answer. Now the question is, light enters a glass block at an angle of incidence of 46 degree. The light refracts at an angle of refraction of 26 degree. What is the refractive index of the glass? And you have 4 options. First, look at this. Light enters air to glass block, and incident and refracted ray you can see easily. You know well, the angle between incident ray and normal is called angle of incidence. And the angle between normal and refracted ray is called angle of refraction. You have I is equals to 46 degree, R is equals to 26, and you need to calculate refractive index. Recall the formula of N, that is sine of I over sine of R. Then you can write sine I 46, sine R 26. When you check with the calculator, sine 46, it gives a 0.719 and sine 26 is equals to 0.438. Divide the numbers, then you get refractive index 1.64. Now you can check your calculation with the option. So option C is same as you calculated. So option C is the right answer. Now the question is, the diagram shows light traveling from air into glass. For angles V, W, X and Y are shown. Which formula is used to calculate the refractive index N of the glass? And you have 4 options. So let's jump on the diagram. Two different medium, air and glass, and this line is showing boundary. Dotted line is showing normal, and this is incident ray and refracted ray. And you have the 4 angles V, W, X and Y. First you need to recall what is the formula is used to calculate the refractive index of the material. N is the refractive index is equal to sine I over sine R. I is angle of incidence and R angle of refraction. Jump on the diagram again and check where is angle I and angle R. Angle between normal and incident ray is equals to incidence angle. So here I is equals to W. R is called the angle of refraction between normal and refracted ray. So the formula becomes N is equals to sine W over sine X. Now you can check your answer with the options. Option number D is the correct answer. The question is, the diagram shows light passing from air into glass. The glass has a refractive index of 1.5. What is the angle of refraction in the glass? And you have 4 options. Look at this diagram. Air and glass are two different medium. This is the boundary, and this dotted line is showing normal, incident ray and refracted ray. First of all, you need to know where are angle I and R. Angle between normal and incident ray is called angle of incidence. So here it is I 30 degree. N. Angle between normal and refracted ray is called angle of refraction, and you need to calculate this. First, write the formula of refractive index. It is sin I over sin R. Now you will make subject sin R, then you get sin I over N. You can substitute the values sin I, sin 30 and N is equals to 1.5. Sin 30 is equals to 0.5 and 1.5 refractive index as it is. Divide the numbers, then you get 0.33. Because we need to calculate the angle of refraction, so we take inverse of sine function. We get sine inverse 0.33 and we get R is equals to 19. You can check your answer with the option. So option A is the right answer. Thank you very much for watching this video. I suggest you follow the playlist of the channel. In that you can find all the lessons you need in your IGCSE physics. So keep watching Physics with Safdar for better results in exam. See you in the next lesson.